where President Trump appears to be locked in a standoff with the nation's courts. In recent days, a string of judicial decisions have created major roadblocks for the president's policies and executive orders meant to reshape the nation. Several high-profile rulings have placed the judiciary as a check on the White House at a time when observers say the Republican-controlled Congress has largely stepped aside, giving the president more room to advance his agenda. In fact, many of his policies, from immigration to tariffs and the restructuring of the federal government itself, are now tied up in legal challenges. On Wednesday, a U.S. judge overturned deep funding cuts to Harvard University, which had frozen more than $2 billion over allegations of anti-Semitism and bias at the Ivy League school. Then last week, a U.S. appeals court ruled that most of President Trump's tariffs were illegal, undercutting his use of them as a key economic policy tool. The court said Congress had not given the president wide-ranging authority to impose tariffs. A federal judge on Tuesday reportedly blocked the government from using the military to fight crime in California as President Trump threatened to deploy troops to more U.S. cities, including Chicago. Now, on the same day, an appeals court also ruled against the president's use of wartime law to deport alleged Venezuelan gang members, blocking its application in some southern states.